Guys, Larsen and Turbo Technology Services has announced the Q3 result and the company reported an 8% increase in the net profit to Rs 248.8 crore as against 230 crore in the last quarter. The rupee revenue was 5% up at 1687.5 crore from Rs 1607.7 crore quarter on quarter, while the dollar revenue stood at $225.1 million against $217.4 million, and its earning before interest and tax was 6% up at 314 crore from Rs 296.4 crore, and margin was up at 18.6% against 18.4% quarter on quarter. Guys, the quarterly result did not meet the expectations of the investors, and hence the share price fell 7% in the early trade. Guys, now let's see what the brokerages said about the stock. First one is Citi. The research house Citi kept a sell call on L&T Technologies with a target of 4,430 rupees. Next is CLSA. It has maintained an outperform rating on the stock with a target at 6,150 rupees after steady revenue growth, improved execution and healthy outlook. Third one is ShareKhan. Guys, ShareKhan retain a buy call on the stock with a revised price target of 6,350 rupees. And the next one is Motilal Oswal. It has also retained a buy call on the stock with a target price of 6,130 rupees per share. So guys, the video ends here. And for daily stock market updates, join our Telegram channel. And if you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.